In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save customized reports in QuickBooks Online. If you run the same reports every month, saving your custom layout will save time and keep your team aligned. We'll start from the Reports section, choose a standard report, tailor it with filters and visual options, give it a clear name, and save it for reuse. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online company and head to the left navigation. Hover on Reports. This opens the Reports home where everything is grouped for you. You'll see sections like Standard and Later where your saved versions live. Next, click Standard Reports. These are the built-in templates such as Profit and Loss or Balance Sheet that you can use as a starting point. Pick the report you want to work with. Selecting it opens the report on screen so you can shape it to your needs. With the report open, click Customize. This is the control center for fine-tuning what appears. In the Customization panel, adjust filters to narrow what you see. For example, set the date range you care about, switch between accrual or cash if that suits your accounting, and include or exclude segments that matter to your review. Filters are powerful, so take a moment to confirm they match the question you're trying to answer. When the content looks right, move to how it looks. Click Visual. Here you can format the layout so it's easier to read and share. In row settings, decide how rows display and whether to show extra details or summaries. In column settings, choose which columns appear and how values are formatted, keeping only what adds clarity. Then review grid lines. Turning grid lines on can help when you plan to print or export. Turning them off can make a slide or email cleaner. Before you save, give the report a name that makes sense at a glance. Rename the report to something descriptive, like including the period, department, or purpose, so it's unmistakable later. Finally, click Save As. QuickBooks creates a saved copy of your customized report so you can open it next time without redoing the work. If you ever need to adjust it, open the saved version, tweak the settings, and save again. That's it. You've taken a standard report, customized it with filters and visuals, renamed it clearly, and saved it for repeat use. Thanks for watching and enjoy the time you'll get back with your new saved report workflow.